Hi dear students, this is Vineet and I welcome you all to the online tutors. So today's topic is area and perimeter of a parallelogram. So before going into further details, let us first understand that what is a parallelogram. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral, that is, it is a four-sided figure in which both pairs of opposite sides are parallel as well as equal. So we can see in this figure there are two such pairs, AB and CD and BC and AD, right? So AB will be equal to CD as well as AB will be parallel to CD, right? And similarly BC will be equal to AD and BC will be parallel to AD. This is a prerequisite for any quadrilateral to be a parallelogram, right? So opposite sides should be equal as well as parallel. So next, coming to area of a parallelogram. So area of parallelogram is defined as the amount of space inside the boundary of the parallelogram, which is highlighted by blue color in this slide, right? So area of the parallelogram will be, like, mathematically it can be calculated by product of B and H, where B is the base of the parallelogram, right, and H is the perpendicular height of the parallelogram. Okay, so next is the perimeter of a parallelogram. So the length of the boundary that surrounds parallelogram gives the perimeter of the parallelogram. Means, in simple words, we can see that it is the total length of all the sides combined. That is, we can say that P can be represented by AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. So it is sum of all the sides. In this case, AB is equal to B, BC will be equal to A, CD is equal to, again it will be equal to B because opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal, and similarly AD will be equal to A. So it comes out 2A plus 2B, and we take 2 common out of this, so it will be 2 into A plus B, which was the formula for the calculation of perimeter, right? So next we move to the live problem which we will be solving right now. So let us solve the problem. The information given is that there is a garden in the shape of a parallelogram which has adjacent sides A being equal to 10 meters and B equal to 20 meters. Find the area of the garden if perpendicular height H is equal to 15 meters. Okay, and we also need to find the cost of fencing the garden with a barbed wire if cost of fencing costs $20 for 1 meter. Okay, so first of all we calculate area of garden. Area of garden will be equal to the area of parallelogram, right, which is base into height in this case, and B is equal to 20 and H is equal to 15 meter. So it will be, right, these two things are in meters, so the result will be in the meter square. So 15 into 20 will be 300 meters square, right? Next thing is we need to find the cost of fencing the garden. So indirectly this problem is telling me to calculate the perimeter of the parallelogram, right? So perimeter or length of the boundary of the garden will be equal to 2 into A plus B, which will be 2 into 10 plus 20, right? So it will be 2 into 30, it will be 60 meters, right? So the length of the boundary comes out to be 60 meter. Next we need to calculate the total amount of fencing the garden. So 1 meter costs $20, right? So cost of fencing, will be applying unitary method. So cost of fencing 1 meter is equal to $20, right? So therefore cost of fencing 60 meters will be equal to 60 into $20, right? So it will be $1,200. I really hope that you have liked this video. Please like it and share it with your friends. Okay, and you can subscribe our YouTube channel to get the regular notifications of our future videos. Thanks a lot.